Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper. This is Talali with you, and I will be taking you through the daily recap of the 26th of February 2021, and we will be looking at our performance during the month of February. So let's get started. Yesterday we made a loss of 1,953.90 cents. Only one winning trade out of 11 opportunities that appeared to us. Taking you through the calendar, you will see that TYHT was the only one winning, making $909.30. You can freeze the screen to see the least profitable ones as well. Let me take you through the signals that appeared during the trading. Then we'll be talking about the signals. We'll be talking about first the back tests, then we'll be talking about the signals. As you noticed during the trading, there were so many big shortage really in the signals due to the uncertainty in the market condition actually. So the first signal appeared to us was METX, and let us see whether really the entry was correct or no. Here we can see the signal every 5 minutes, and then you can see clearly that this is not a correct entry, so this should not be really considered. Again, our criteria is to be above the moving averages and to give you a candle confirming. So for example, if these are all above the moving averages, then the entry signal, then from the entry signal you need to be confident that you are going on the upward direction. So that one is not supposed to be counted as an opportunity here. So this is not counted in our update. SRTS on the daily, it made a great move and the signal came to us in excellent place, and this is, I wonder why this is losing. It should be winning. It gave you an entry and it seems that it did not continue for long. It gave you the entry, then it went down, then it continued up. So maybe you will be out for the beginning, then with the momentum maybe you will decide to continue and go in. Yeah, you can see the signals here. Okay, so maybe the correct entry is after the break of the 4.99, which should happen later on in the day. Okay, next is AESE. AESE came at very late position at the on the candle. So if you are far away from all these supports, it should not be considered as an entry. So this is not to be considered. This is not to be considered. This is supposed to be, this will be, let us count this one as -3 in our trading day. Next, SLGG, downtrending on the daily, and the opportunity here when it appeared to us was appearing in a good place, but unfortunately it did not continue. So that's another -3% here. AUTO, another downtrending trade or direction trend, and here it gave you the signal, and in one candle, in two candles it made the loss. In one candle it made up to 6% but did not continue. So if you are trading by yourself and you see that you are reaching 2.90 and you are close to the daily target, then maybe you'll decide to take this opportunity. So it will be plus 6 minus a 3 minus a 3, it will be 0 here. So again, it's up to the trader and how he or she reacts during the trading session and from the experience. UUD, sorry, was supposed to be a winning one, but unfortunately from the next candle it immediately went down for 3%, hitting your stop loss. But if you see the signals, you will know that it will be continuing due to the intense signals that were received. I pointed about it, or I highlighted this trade, this stock. I talked about it during the trading. And if somebody is re-entering, can easily make a 7% out of that, if not more. Okay, but that's a losing one also. So from minus a 3 plus 6 minus a 3, we are now at minus a 3. TYHT was the only winning one today, again downtrending, but resting on the 50 days simple moving average, which is a strong support usually, and in 1 minute it made the 7% confidently. Good entry. The only take against this is, as usual, the low floating rate, but the others are okay. Other factors are okay. So from minus 3 plus 7, you are now up by 4%. Next, VT. Correct entry, but minus 3 here. Then ADIL, wrong entry, so that's not to be considered. Very late signal after the only rise in the day. Okay, last but not least is AMS, and it's obvious that it's coming at very late stage. It is coming at the highest point in the day. It is only 20 minutes towards the end of the day and the week and the month. And last but not least, the very bad volume in here. So that's it with the first part of our update. And now let's move to the monthly update. As you remember, in the month of January, we made a net profit of 322. Looking at the month of February, with the same basis, we started with 10,000 and then we captured all the trades, all the results. You can find them all in the daily recap. First one is 85.80. It cannot be shown here actually. It's 85.80. Then the second one, 2,216. Then the third day was, you can freeze the screen and compare the results here with the update here. So we tabulated all the results day by day. On the 15th we had Washington's birthday holidays. During the month of February we were doing great, except for the last week, where we were really impacted by the market condition. But we were also capturing the number of trades per day, and we took the average also, or we took the total number actually of the trades, and we multiplied that by 2. And in my case, my broker is taking 3.95 per each trade, so that's 784 transactions multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.95 is equivalent to $6,177.80 for commissions, while the total of our profit per each day was equals total of $58,830.60, and that's equivalent to 488%. But taking the the commissions, we will be ending up with a net profit of $52,652.80, which is equivalent to 426, meaning 4.2 times our capital or our starting investment. That's good result, and that's for the second month. Not all the months will be, of course, like that. There were some, or there will be some months that we will be having, reds, and the most important thing is to look at what had happened and to really look at our entry and to really tell whether we really entered in a good trade or there is something wrong that we did. And this is a very short update, hoping that you were always with me during the daily updates, so the result here will not be something new. Again, what will happen next month is that we'll keep the same setting, stop loss of 3%, profit target of 7, and our trade always will be from 5 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. If we see there is progress or there is continuation of the position, depending on each case, we will keep our calculation. The most interesting thing to mention is that our biggest winning day was $9,451 on the 4th, on Thursday, and the most losing day was on the 23rd, which was minus $3,046. We had a streak of 17 days. We did not have any streak of losing days, luckily, and we will continue. We will start next month again with another 10,000. We will maintain the share size always to be 3,000 shares per trade, and the commission in my broker Traders Elite is 3.95 per trade, so that would be the same basis for us. And with this we conclude the month of February, and we wish and we look forward to have a very successful month, the upcoming month of March. And with that, I thank you for watching and for your keen follow-up. And if you have any comments or points to share, please feel free. And we always thank you for your support by sharing, subscribing, and activating the alert button. This is the Gulf Sniper, and I'm Talali with you, and I wish you a very pleasant weekend. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.